how to create a new recurring or repeating calendar event on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the calendar app, and then I'm going to go back to my monthly view and select a date that you want to create a calendar event. So here I'm going to select the 23rd. Then tap on the add button. Next in here, give your event a title. So let's say I'm going to tap on Royal Show. And this will be, so you can choose if it's an all day or simply just a period of time. So set the start time and end time. So start at 12 and say end at 12:30. So we set that start and end time. And then in here you can choose whether it's you have any traveling to do or not. After that, tap on repeat. Now in here you can choose whether it will repeat every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every year, or custom. So choose your frequency. Here I can choose say every second week or every 2 weeks. So you can choose that, and then for end repeat you can set it to never. Never is set by default, so you can choose on date. So let's say I want to have this event repeat into say April, so 30th of April, so the end of April, and that's it. So here if I tap that to collapse the drop down box, so we have it repeat every 2 weeks for a few months. And that's it. After that, you can also choose invitees to your event. You can choose which calendar to save it to. Here at the moment, it's saved to my Gmail calendar. And you can also set the alert. So we set it 15 minutes before. So it will alert us before the event start. And you can also set a second alert and then show us busy. And you can enter in the URL or notes. After that, you can tap on the add button. Now if I go back to my monthly view, so we have Royal Show starting next week on the 23rd, and it will repeat every second week. So here 23rd, 30th. If I scroll down on the 6th, Royal Show, on the 20th, Royal Show, and that's it. So that is how you can create a recurring calendar event. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.